on, guys, we are back. Oh, I missed you, baby. Let's go. I have not filmed anything in a fat minute, and actually I haven't even ridden in a long time, but we're back now. Woo! It's good to be back, boys. Let's go. It's been so freaking cold here in Utah. Like the past 3 weekends it's been raining, like frost on the windows. It's so freaking cold now, it's hard to get the motivation to come out and ride and everything. I was not expecting it to be this busy out here today. This sucks. But guys, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do for the winter time. I mean, I'm gonna try to take the Grom out when I can, because like the lower speed stuff and like a stunt lot and stuff is not too cold. But I highly doubt we're gonna get out much on the Groms either. My shirt's coming up in the back. It's so cold. I thought the long sleeve would be enough, but I guess probably should have worn a hoodie. It's a little bit chilly. I cannot get enough of that view, man. Holy hell. That is insane. I need to find a safe spot to flip around because I have freaking 1 bar of gas left. I had no idea. I guess this will have to do. Oh, this is so bad. Oh no. Jokes aside though, I think I actually am going to run out of gas. Come on, come on. The bar's flashing now. I'm so close. I can see the gas station up here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, we made it, boys. Let's go. Cutting it a little bit close, bud. I've never been that low on gas on this thing before. Yeah, sure, I'll take a car wash. Freaking pants. Well, that was a close one. But we made it. We're good. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video here, I think. Gonna head home, get this edited. Hopefully I can go out and film tomorrow. Tomorrow should be good weather too, so hopefully I can get out and film a little more. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.